A fresh encounter had erupted between terrorists and security forces in the Tanta area of Doda district, making it the fourth attack in the valley in the last 4 days. Terrorists opened fire on a search team which was deployed in the village in the Gandho area, to which security forces retaliated in the heavy exchange of fire. A policeman had sustained injuries and was rushed to the hospital, where he is undergoing treatment. Reinforcements have been rushed to the area to strengthen the cordon. Hunters on to nab the terrorist who had rather fired on the security forces. This was the second terror-related incident in Doda in the last 24 hours and the fourth in 3 days in Jammu and Kashmir. At a time when our Jawans are being martyred, National Conference Farooq Abdullah had added salt to the injuries. Farooq had advocated talks with the very same neighbor, Pakistan, which pushes terrorists through its borders to create mayhem in our country. Not only that, the National Conference patron has even dubbed the terror attack, believe it or not, quote-unquote, a small incident. And it isn't just Farooq. The opposition has been relentless in their attack and has held the Prime Minister and Home Minister responsible for failing to prevent the attacks. Rahul Gandhi has questioned the Prime Minister's silence, while Shiv Sena, UBT and Aam Aadmi Party has questioned the efficacy of changing the status of Jammu and Kashmir and withdrawing Article 370 despite no apparent change in the ground situation. Listen into all these reactions.
Against any form of terrorism, the nation is one. Isme there is no party, there is no separate position. In my speech in Parliament, I have been saying time and again, Amit ji, he is Home Minister, Kashmir is bigger than 370. आपने सोचा 370 आ गया तो कश्मीर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई. You thought because the frequency of attacks has reduced, so there is normalcy.
किसकी जिम्मेदारी है? अब की बार वाले कहाँ गए? अभी बार बार वहां हमले हो रहे हैं, इसके बावजूद अब की बार वाले वहां जा नहीं रहे हैं. प्रधानमंत्री वहां नहीं जाएंगे, गृह मंत्री वहां नहीं जाएंगे, तो जिम्मेदारी उनकी है. अगर उनसे ये सारी बातें नहीं संभाली जाती तो फिर से प्रधानमंत्री होने का उनको कोई अधिकार.
If you go through the chronology, you will see that 3 attacks took place in 3 days consecutively, which proves that Modi's slogan that Kashmir is very much peaceful is absolutely a false one, and it implies that the Defence Ministry and the Home Ministry, they are failing miserably. They have to take this responsibility on their own shoulder. And if Kashmir is so much peaceful, then why BJP couldn't file a nomination with their own symbol, with their own candidate?
मेरा मानना है कि जम्मू कश्मीर का स्टेटस बदलने के बावजूद भी केंद्र सरकार आतंकवाद को कम नहीं कर पाई है. जम्मू कश्मीर के अलावा पूर्वोत्तर में भी चीन की हरकतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं. मुझे लगता है कि केंद्र सरकार को अपनी विदेश नीति के ऊपर दोबारा से सभी दलों के साथ चर्चा करनी चाहिए.
We still have problem with our neighbor. And the problem with neighbor will not be solved by military action. Unless we talk to our neighbors, we will not be able to solve. These terrorists are coming over the border. And they continue to come. Whichever government tomorrow is in here, we'll have to still face the same thing. We have a yatra coming now, which is a major yatra. Any small incident that might take place in that will be blown up in the rest of the country. And we Kashmiris are not responsible for these things. We have never favored these things.
Amidst Farooq's desire to restart dialogue with India's western neighbor, a survival team from Reasi attack has called for a complete decimation of Pakistan. Here is his message for Pakistan and their so-called quote-unquote premies in India.
सियासतदान कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान से बातचीत करनी चाहिए. आपको लगता है कि सियासत आपको
समझते हैं? पाकिस्तान को साफ कर देना चाहिए. डायरेक्ट उसको बम गोला जो भी वो फेंक कर उनको जो एकदम नाम मिटा देना चाहिए.
मतलब ये जो सियासतदानों को क्या कहना
नहीं चाहिए.
इन सियासतदानों को क्या कहेंगे जो बातचीत की बात करते हैं?
ये बातचीत की बात तो करते हैं, जब उनके ऊपर पड़ेगा सर तब वो लोगों को समझ में आएगा कि क्या होता है. तब वो नाम नहीं लेंगे पाकिस्तान का.
In fact, acknowledging that it's a matter of concern, BJP has assured that terrorists will be eliminated. Listen to former JNK Deputy Chief Minister Kavinder Gupta.
कुछ जो पुंछ राजौरी की ओर यहाँ पर गतिविधियां बढ़ी हैं, निश्चय ही चिंताजनक है। कठुआ में जो इस प्रकार का अटैक होना, इससे पहले रियासी में होना, खैर इन लोगों को ढूंढ तो लाया जाएगा और मार भी दिया जाएगा, लेकिन जो यात्री बाहर से आए थे एक उनका पर इस प्रकार की हत्या करना, यह अपने आप में बड़ा दुखद है। तो सुरक्षा बल अपनी रणनीति बनाते हैं समय समय पर, उसी के आधार पर यहाँ पर शांति व्यवस्था पहले भी बनी है और यहाँ पर जरूरत है कि नागरिक भी अपने आप में जागरूक रहें और जो लोग इन्फॉर्मर्स रहते हैं उनका भी पुलिस को पता दें, क्योंकि सभी की इन्वॉल्वमेंट से ये चीजें संभव हो सकती हैं।